Hello students, myself Dr. Lobal MJ, working as a head department of Zoology, Devadi College, Devadi. Today we will discuss about the topic types of eggs, which is included in the B.Sc-III Zoology paper number 13. The name of paper is Developmental Biology. In this topic, this topic is divided into two parts. First one, structure of egg, and second one is types of eggs. First of all, we will see the structure of egg. The fully developed female gamete is called as egg, or it is also called as the ovum. The egg is non-motile. The eggs are relatively larger than the male gametes. The egg performs different types of functions, like it provides haploid set of chromosome to the future embryo, and it also provides the cytoplasm and the food to the developing embryo. The egg contains yolk and albumen. The yolk is yellowish color and the albumen is white in color. The yolk is present inside the albumen. Now we will see the types of eggs. The eggs are classified by the embryologist on the basis of different criteria. The first one is types of eggs based on the amount of yolk. On the basis of amount of yolk present in the eggs are classified into four types. First one, polycythal egg. Second one, microlycythal eggs. Third one, mesolycythal eggs, and fourth one is macrolycythal eggs. First of all, we will see the alycythal egg. The name itself indicates A means absent, lecytha means yolk. The eggs in which contains very less amount of yolk, or yolk may absent in the egg, such eggs are called as alycythal eggs. These alycythal eggs are found in the mammals. Second type is microlycythal eggs. The eggs which contains small amount of yolk, such eggs are called as microlycythal eggs. These eggs are found in Amphioxus, cephalochordates, tunicates, and eutherian mammals. Third type is mesolycythal eggs. The eggs which contains moderate amount of yolk, such eggs are called as mesolycythal eggs. These eggs are found in Pectromyzon, Dipnoi, and Amphibia. And last type is macrolycythal eggs. The eggs which contains large amount of yolk, such eggs are called as macrolycythal eggs. Such type of eggs are found in cartilaginous and bony fishes, reptiles, birds, protherian animals, and insects. Second type is, these are the different figures of the eggs. Types of eggs depends upon the amount of yolk. First one is alycythal egg, second one is microlycythal egg, third diagram is mesolycythal egg, and fourth diagram is of megalycythal or macrolycythal egg. Of eggs based on the distribution of yolk. On the basis of distribution of yolk, the eggs are classified into three types. These are: number 1, homolycythal egg; number 2, kilolycythal eggs; number 3, centrolycythal eggs. First one is homolycythal eggs. These are also called as isolycythal eggs. The eggs which contains a small amount of yolk, and this yolk is distributed uniformly in the egg cytoplasm. Such eggs are called as homolycythal or isolycythal eggs. The microlycythal eggs and the microlycythal eggs are the example of homolycythal eggs. The second type is kilolycythal egg. The eggs in which the yolk is not distributed evenly. It is present at one side of the Egg, that is, it may present at animal pole or visceral pole of the egg. Such eggs are called as telolacethal eggs. Examples: mesolacethal and macrolacethal eggs are the telolacethal eggs. Third type is centrolacethal eggs. The egg in which the yolk is present at the center of yolk egg are egg of the cytoplasm. Such eggs are called as centrolacethal eggs. Example is insect. Third type of eggs are based on the presence or absence of the shell. According to presence or absence of the shell, there are two types of shell. First one is cleoidic eggs, second one is non-cleoidic eggs. Cleoidic eggs having outer hard shell which is calcareous in nature are called as cleoidic eggs. Example, eggs of reptiles and birds. Second one is non-cleoidic eggs. The eggs which do not having outer hard shell are called non-cleoidic eggs. Example, egg of human. And another type is types of eggs according to the developmental pattern, that is fate of cytoplasmic granules. There are two types of eggs. First one is determinate egg and second one is indeterminate egg. Determinate egg is also called as mosaic egg. When the fate of cytoplasmic granules is predetermined just after the fertilization, then it is called as determinate egg. These eggs are found in Porifera, Annelida and Mollusca. Second is indeterminate type of egg. When the fate of cytoplasmic granule is not predetermined just after the fertilization, then it is called as indeterminate egg. Example is reptiles, birds, mammals. Thank you.